So today we are going to perform the site layout project of total station in our college Lathe Polytechnic. So first we are going to fix out the boundaries of building by using total station and the focus.
The file.
Select.
Job list.
Our file name is 25 OCT. After creating new file, we are going to the major mode, select station and rectangular coordinates. In this we are going to put the coordinates of our station point, that is 1000 and Z100. Instrument height, enter. Save. In the project of traversing, we had put the coordinates of north direction also as BSP, but in the layout practical we are only orient our telescope towards the north, and we are going to set 0 0 on the north direction. Now the telescope is bisected towards the north, so we are going to set 0 by pressing F3. So here's the 0 degree towards the north direction. Now press enter. Add reference point, no. And we are going to just add the prism height. Prism height is 1.5. Enter. Now we are directly turn our telescope towards our first boundary point, and we are going to collect the northing easting coordinates of that first boundary point. That is our first boundary point. That coconut tree is our second plot boundary point. Here are the readings of that tree point. That parking pole is our third boundary point. That another parking pole is our fourth boundary point. Now we had successfully set our boundary 1 2 3 4. We are going to take one more point which is outside of our boundary for back side. Now our boundary plotting work is done and we are going to export our file 25 OCT to the SD card. Okay. Mode B, special function, page, IO, file, rectangular data, CSV format, enter, data SD card, enter, enter, file selection, select our recent file, file is successfully transferred to the SD card. Remove SD card like this and insert it into the laptop. This PC, USB drive, and here is the file of the total station. Our file is 25 OCT CSV. The file is now open and here are the coordinates of point 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Copy the file 25 OCT and paste to the desktop. Open the DL Penta. Edit the name of file to DXF. Save. Enter the point number 1 2, point code 34 and point height 56. OK. Copy that DXF file. Paste to the pen drive. Open this file in the CAD.
Shortcut.
Now press Z, enter, and E, enter. We can see the coordinates of points and join that points by using the polyline. Here we can see our plot. Our plot point is 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. First point is the station point and 6th point is the last point, that is the BSP point. Here you can see we have fixed the north direction from which we are going to fit our plan into the plot. This is our plan of go down, and we are going to mark the center of the column like this. Copy this plan and paste here By this way we have fixed our plan into our plot boundaries like this. We have fixed our center point. Here you can see these are the coordinates. By this way write coordinates of each and every column. That y coordinate is of easting, and while make sure that x coordinate is of easting and y coordinate is of northing. This is important. Now we have set our instrument again to our station point, and now we are going to orient our backside point, that is point number 6. Special function, measure rectangular coordinate, station, list, select first point, that is station point, accept BSP, go to list, last point, 6 point, accept. Did you aim at your reference point? So place the focus to point number 6. Aim towards the point number 6. Our prism perfectly. Now press F3, measure. Instrument will compare our first 6th point and last 6th point, and here you can see the comparison. Here we can see the comparison between first 6th point and last 6th point. So the error is in mm, so this error is negligible. After pressing the enter key, you can see the display like this. Now go to stakeout, page, stakeout, and enter point number 7 and enter their coordinates manually. After entering the coordinates, you can see the display page like this. Turn the telescope until the horizontal angle becomes 0 degree. When display shows 0 degree angle, clamp the horizontal screw. Instruct our prism man like this so that he can come to center of the crosshair. When he come to center of the crosshair, press F1 to measure. Now the difference here you can see plus 4 meter. So we have to instruct our prism man to come 4 meter forward.
जरा इकडे इकडे अजून बस.
Prism man have taken the new position. So again measure.
सर्व
40 centimeter error is showing.
तीन सेंटीमीटर पुढं तीन.
The error is of 33 mm, so this error is negligible. So fix our first column position. Mara. Now press next. Enter point number 8 and their coordinates. Now press scroll. Turn the telescope until 0 degree comes. Instruct the prism man again. किती
27 सेंटीमीटर पुढं
87 centimeter forward.
शुभम.
One 1.5 centimeter forward. Fix the position of column. By the same method, fix the position of all columns. Thank you so much.